channel. So today we'll be diving into what's called Amazon Kindle Publish. So the first thing you have to know is unleash your writing potential with Amazon KDP. What's Amazon KDP? Amazon KDP or Kindle Direct Publish is Amazon platform that lets you publish your ebooks and paperback books. The best part is that you are in the control of the entire process from manuscript to reader. So this means that whether you are a writer or not writer, this is the best part for you to know. So you don't need to learn how to write, or maybe you are a writer or you have been looking for a way to publish your book. This is the video that's best, that's great for you guys. So what next again is that the key steps in KDP journey. In KDP journey is the first thing you have to sign up on Amazon KDP, because after signing up on the KDP platform, if you are an Amazon user, you're already halfway there. So you have been trying to sign up into Amazon KDP, or maybe you're halfway. So in this video, we're teaching you how to sign up fully on Amazon KDP and start publishing your entire books. So the third part, on upload your manuscript. So this is step two. Upload your masterpiece. KDP accepts various formats, making it accessible for every type of writer, and eh, they they even help with cover design. So after designing your book cover, I mean your front cover, so KDP will upload a cover back book for your paperback or your book. So that's what KDP will help you to do. So in this, you can even upload your manuscript in form of HTML, EPUB, and PDF. Anyone you like, you can upload your manuscript in form of that format. So the fourth step is that set price and royalties. This is the funniest part. The fun part is that set your book price and choose the royalty option with up to 70% royalties. You are not just a writer, you are a business owner in this part. After uploading your manuscript finish, you have to choose the price as in the best price for your book. In this part, you have to make sure you master the part of where you can set your price and royalties, because you just choose any price. You can't just choose any price for your book. You have to look for people in your category that have uploaded the same book that you too you're trying to upload, because you have to try and look at the price they used to upload their own book on Amazon. So by following this step, you are going to get the right price for your book. So the fifth part is what we call the publish. It's the publish. Your book is available to readers worldwide, whether it is on Kindle device or apps. Amazon takes care of the logistics so you can focus on your next masterpiece. So in this part, so after uploading your manuscript, setting your price and royalties, then you hit the publish icon. So your book will be available. After hitting the publish, your book will be on review for some maybe 24 hours. Even paperback takes up to like more than a day or 2 days. But sometimes if they say that your book is maybe there's not like any error or anything like error. If there is any error, they will let you know that this book is full of error or not. Maybe you copied someone's book and you publish it on Amazon. Amazon is not going to publish your book because you copied another person's book. So Amazon going to publish your book. The seventh says that this one, there is more to KDP offers promotion tools like countdown deals and free book promotions. Plus, you get detailed reports to track your sales and performance. So in this part, after a book has been published and has been reviewed and it has been live on Amazon website, so sometimes they can even give you a free promotion on your book. So Amazon just decided to give you a free book promotions, and you get detailed report on how to track your sales and how everything, and the analysis of your book and how everything is performing, how it's reaching more audience. So you'll be seeing more people that click on your book. So that's all about Amazon. So another part is that you have to engage with your readers. So maybe you have been publishing book and you have getting sales on your book. So make sure you check all your readers, maybe whether after the comments on this book and you see maybe this is the part some people don't like or people like this part, you have to make sure you reply to your readers and make sure you engage with them. And whenever you release more books, make sure you engage with them that they should check this so book out. So you like to know more about your book. So the last part is that this part, don't say maybe you can't do it. Everyone can do it. Because if you bring a negative mindset to this thing, you can't make it. You have to be in positive mindset, because whatever you have to do, you must be always be positive, because we are in negative mindset. Maybe can I do this or can I do this or not? You won't be able to do it if you are in negative mindset. And second part is that you have to be consistent. Whatever you are doing, make sure you always be consistent on whatever you are doing. Because without consistency, you are not going to reach where you are going. And the last one is you have to be persistent in whatever you are doing too. So that's all. Thank you. If you really enjoyed this video, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you, everyone.